So I bought this toolbox for work. I need a toolbox for work. I don't have a toolbox. First toolbox. Exciting. But I can't get it to work because it definitely won't fit in my car. No matter how much I kick it. Damn, son. It cost me so much money to fill this up. I suppose I better go and fit a new clutch.
I could wonder. I'll tell thee what, we're in for a banging night here.
You already know where we are. If you don't know, we're at the Manlike. T-Dog. Manlike. I've only got T-Dog. Got a new clutch. Started slipping the other day. So I rang good old Tonster. That's another. There we go. Rang up Tonster. I said, I need a clutch. And ever since I rang up Tonster and said, I need a clutch, clutch hasn't been slipping. Which he's kindly given up his evening to help me and my little MX-5 get a new clutch in. He's already cracking on already. I'm pissing about talking to a camera.
I'm just having a gander.
He's smashing it.
It's a little bit hot.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for it to cool down a bit, I think. While we're waiting for that, Tony, why don't you go and talk about this little bugger over here? Talk about this little bugger. Tony's been struggling, right? Finding some decent mods to do to this car because they're all so expensive. So if you know any mods that Tony can do to his 350, put a comment down there. Let him know what he should do. So Tony's in there getting busy. I'm gonna get inside the car and start taking the centre console bits out. Disassembling the interior was a lot easier than I expected. How many screws are that? 4?
4 screws.
4 screws. 2 at the sides at the front. 2 in there at the back. See it? Hello. Hello, Tony.
Hey, hey. It's a bit of a stupid clip. Here we go. She's off.
Step 1. Complete. 16 years of shite. These.
Yeah, 4 of them, and then there should be 3 or 2 on the top of the box itself.
Coolio Inglesias. So that's all the stuff done in here. Time to move on. I'm making good progress here, Tony, mate.
Smashing it.
Been smashing it. How long is it here? 3 hours? No, 3 minutes got.
Oh damn. Oh sweet loud. Oh damn.
Oh, damn. Oh, this house.
It's the house.
Oh, that looks good. It's hot. Hot chili sauce. Like, temperature hot. Oh, damn. Oh, god damn. Oh, god damn.
Oh, you nasty. Oh, you nasty.
2 different kinds of pizza eaters in this world.
I'm not a dipper.
I'm a dipper, you see.
I'm a plonker.
You're a blobber. I was wrong, Tony. There is a God.
A few moments later.
I can't do it. I'm a failure. I'm a failure. I understand if you never want to watch my videos again. I don't blame you for on something. Right, so we're all fueled up now. Let's fucking work done. Back to this in here. We snapped the bolt. What do you think about that bolt?
He's a cunt.
brakes. You know that flying start we got off to with interior stuff. Underneath hasn't been so successful. I'll just give you a rundown what we've done. The prop's out, prop's gone. The section of the exhaust is gone, which was also a cunt. We've snapped 2 of the bolts in there. That's not good. This strengthening cross member, whatever you want to call it, wouldn't want to come off at this end, so it's just kind of dangling now. We're just working on the bell housing bolts now to actually drop the gearbox and change the clutch. Once that's down, we shouldn't be too bad.
This is highly recommended for them. Really awkward to get. Everyone needs a scaffold board. Just here with the wretched.
Needs must. What time did I get here, Tony? About 6:30?
Yeah.
It's now 9:30, so we've been at it for 3 hours. Take half an hour off for munching pizza.
Oh, aye. And
2.5 hours in.
And exhaust bolts, which were
Yeah. I'm not too worried about that. It's loud as fuck anyway, so what's a bit of an exhaust leak? He's just cracked the last bolt on the bell housing. He's been going at it like a bloody trooper, he has. So we're not far off. Not far off now, really. Would you say we're close?
should be, if this bolt comes out, it's literally unscrew these last 3 and then bar out. Should be off.
She's coming. Right. Is this stable or what?
There's only one bit to find out.
Oh no! 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 It probably got it pissing all over my head. For fuck's sake.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's dripping and everything. Is it proper bad?
You fairly got it, yeah. Just all there.
Lubed up and that. I just felt my head get wet a lot. You know, this is hard work, but. Not happy. Lubey arm. Lubey head. Lubey hoodie. Stink. See, for me now, I'd say halfway.
Hello, my dog.
This is where we find out they've sent wrong clutch kit. Don't say that.
There we've got deep in. There we haven't. We flush.
It's just completely smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice new clutch, nice and grippy. Not nice and grippy. That's why it was slipping. That's why. Clutch review. Fucking shit. So that's your alignment tool, is it?
Alright, so what we've got on there is you get a bar, you get loads of different ends, obviously some bigger clutches, so you get different pieces of them, that fits into your spinner plate.
Yep.
So it holds it central, so you put that on, and then you get a different size, your spigot bearing flywheel in there.
Yeah.
So it holds it in place.
I like shiny bits. Oh, that's fair heavy, that, isn't it?
Real. In the hole. In the hole.
Easy as that.
Easy as that.
Wow.
If you don't have one of them, then you're constantly like, you'll see, tighten them up and you're nudging spinner plate round to try and get it central.
Yeah.
Which we both on pretty easy.
Bolts are up! Clutch is off. The time has come. Oh! Yeah. Hey, what the Oh god. The box is in. We've still got the prop to put back. The section of exhaust. Fucking hell, the section of exhaust to put back in. That fucking beam to put back up. The interior to put back in. It's been a long one. It has been a long one. We've been at it over 4 hours now. I'll just catch up with you when we've done this. We need to get it done now.
3 days later.
We finally finished. The car's back together. It's on the ground. It's 12:30. 12:30 midnight. Tony's just about to drive it off the ramp and make sure everything works. Definitely more exhaust noise coming from here. I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna get to bed. This took way longer than we thought it would. I don't know what this video is gonna look like. I'll try and piece something together with footage because we had to just stop filming at one point and just get the fucking job done. But saying that, I'll see you on the next one.